Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a video about the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. Now this is their new eyeshadow primer and I'm going to be comparing it to the PLOUISE base. Now I have two shades in each. I'm kind of annoyed because I ordered this off of the Revolution website and I know their shipping is not very good anyway. I've had bad experiences with their shipping before, it takes a long time, but this time I don't know why, I thought it would be good, but alas, it wasn't that great. So I ordered another one on Superdrug yesterday and it's down in my local store now to pick up, and these arrived this morning. So love that for me. I'm going to be comparing the two. So I got the shades Halo, which is white, and Illustrate, which is fair. I got the white because I have the white in the PLOUISE base, and then I got the fair one because I thought that'd be the closest match to number one. So we'll have to see what the actual difference is. PLOUISE base is £10 for 15 millilitres, but their shipping is quite expensive. I think it's like £5, just you have to pay £5 at least for the UK, which is kind of annoying because, but these, I thought this would be a lot cheaper, but it really isn't, I've realised. These were £6 each and it's 4.5 millilitres. So in the PLOUISE base, you get 3 times the amount in this. How does that even work? It must have one of those bottles that makes it look like there's loads more in there when there's not. That's 15 millilitres and that's 4.5. How is that such a big difference? That is 3 times more than that. That's actually mad. So this is the PLOUISE one and this is the Revolution one. I feel like the PLOUISE one is more peachy and this one's more grey toned. Didn't do this very well, did I? I didn't swatch it very well. Well done, Alice. Top shades here are PLOUISE and the bottom shades here are the Revolution. These look so different right now. I think I'm going to use this, which is the Be Perfect and Stacey Marie Anyway Carnival palette. I'm using the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas in the shade Illustrate. It is a little bit more liquidy than the PLOUISE base. Just tapping a little bit onto my lid and then I'm going to pat it out with this brush, which is from Zoeva. So I'm really interested to see what this is like because before I got the PLOUISE base, I used to use the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer on my eyes. That's blended in really nicely and I'm going to go in with the PLOUISE base in the shade 01 on the other side. I don't really see a difference. I think I'm going to go in with this purple shade called Wasted. I'm going to go in with the Revolution side first and I'm just going to pack that on my outer corner. And also kind of bring it into the front of the crease. Just applying nicely, just like kind of normally. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. It seems to be honestly the same so far on both sides. And this is just like packing it on. I need to start blending it out and stuff and see like what the actual difference is. But so far, so good. I think I'm now going to go in with the shade Guilty, like kind of half on top, half above that purple shade. Second shade seems to be going on nicely. I'm going to go back in with a little bit of Wasted just to blend those shades together. And I'm going to go in with the shade Shuffle, which is the bright pink. I'm just kind of blending that above. I always do this when I do my looks. I go back and forth with every shade and blend it out and pack it on and blend it out and pack it on, back and forth with each shade over and over again because that's how I find it easiest to get the best kind of blend I can do. I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to use the white. Okay, the brush isn't the worst, but it's just not a brush that I would use. It's too thick. I'm doing my cut crease quite high up today because I'm doing a technique that I saw my friend Erin do. Yes, I'm taking the PLOUISE base. The brush I'm using is the Zoeva Soft Concealer Brush. 144 Soft Concealer Brush. And I just really like this because it's so big. So now I'm going back in with the palette and I'm going to take the purple shade on a little brush and I'm going to pack that just at the top of where I've cut the crease. I think I'm just going to go straight in with the pink. Now I think I'm going to go in with the orange, which is the shade Lit. And then what Erin did was took the base again and cut again. I'm now going to go in with the Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Mermaids. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with this Ofa X Nikki Tutorials highlighter in the shade Cloud 9, which is the pink. It's looking great at the front, which is so annoying. I really hate that. The lashes I'm wearing are the Bold Face Mega Babe lashes. They're quite crazy and dramatic, but we love a good crazy and dramatic lash. I'm kind of annoyed though because I feel like recently all my eyelashes look different on each eye. This one is like less, oh I don't know if it's my eye or whatever. And on my lips is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick in She-E-O. Yeah. Oh, you see my cat ears off and my little clip. So yeah, this is the finished look. I'm not 100% liking it, but that always happens, so it's not really a surprise. Now is it? No. I don't see any difference in the bases right now. I don't know like if it'll wear differently. And I would just suggest getting the PLOUISE one if you can, but if you can't, like the shipping is too expensive from PLOUISE and you can get Revolution quite easily, then I suggest getting the Revolution one. But yeah, I don't really at the moment see a difference. Let me know if you see a difference at all. Obviously my eyes are different shapes. One eye is always better than the other. Doesn't matter what I'm using if I'm using the exact same products. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. Also my Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I really hope you guys are having a great day and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.